Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. As you can see here, we are back again with our Redmi Watch 3 Active. This time we are going to check on the available watch faces for this wearable. As you can see here, we have a preloaded, beautiful preloaded watch face for our smartwatch. So we are already paired with the support app, the Mi Fitness app, and we have a section here for downloading watch faces. So we are going to check it out, as well as the available watch faces here already preloaded to the Redmi Watch 3 Active. If you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check first the preloaded watch faces here in our Redmi Watch 3 Active. Just long press, just like any other smartwatches, to select from the different watch faces available here in our smartwatch. As you can see here, we only have 3. You can also access this section on the settings. So here, just tap on the settings, select watch faces, and you can pick the watch faces that you want. If you want a different design, just download the support app, pair it with your Redmi Watch 3 Active. So let's check it here. Go to your device here on the section. On the dashboard, we have manage watch faces fresh online. Tap on it and it will load the different types of watch faces. So we have here category, we have popular, editor's pick, simple, formal. So let's check it here. New, customs, mechanical. So we have a lot of categories here. Formal, utility, simple, sci-fi, painting, stylish, digits, cartoon, and animal. So let's select one. Let's go with the popular first, so we can check if what are the offered watch faces for your Redmi Watch 3 Active. So we have a very comprehensive list of watch faces. Popular, let's go to editor's pick. So most of the design here are in digital format. We have simple, we have formal. I like this one. At least we have an analog type here. Only few analog watch face so far. Mechanical, let's check. The same. Utility, so I guess the utility is a watch face with additional data, as you can see here. So just like battery life, steps, you have it here. So let's try and download one. So we have here, I like the LCD features. So let's tap on it. So just 0.33 MB, very lightweight. So installing update, it's already syncing. We do hope that we'll have a successful installation of the watch face. 99%. I think we're done now. Applied successfully. So we have a beautiful looking watch face here, professional looking. Let's check if we already have at least 4 watch faces, as you can see here. So we have added at least 1. Let's see if we can make it 5, or maybe it will replace our previous or recently downloaded watch face. Let's go with the stylish rising sun. Don't like the watch faces here. Let's go with the mechanical. Okay, let's pick this one. Metal Racing. Apply. It's installing the update. Okay, I think we're done. It's already 99%. Okay, we have the watch face. Okay, let's check again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at least 5 watch faces now. Okay, so you cannot replace the 3 watch faces here, preloaded watch faces. Only add at least 2 watch faces. Let's make it 5. Let's have another one. And let's see if the memory can store several watch faces. Go with the paintings. Okay, let's go with this one. Sunset camping. Okay, just 25 MB. Okay, as you can see here, not enough storage space. Delete some display and try again. So you have to delete the previous watch face to be able to install additional watch face. So it is limited only to at least 5 watch faces. Again, you can only install at least 2 watch faces. We already have the first 3 preloaded watch faces, and you can download additional 2 watch faces. For the custom, let's check album 3. Let's pick this one. Custom photo, allow, so just allow access to your files. Gallery, going to pick my favorite watch face here. Okay, this one, then continue. Okay, let's apply. Let's see. Okay, not enough storage space. Let's remove this one. Okay, apply. Installing update. Again, you can only add or download 2 watch faces. So you have at least 5 watch faces on your Redmi Watch 3 active. Then, as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded a custom watch face. Okay, it's a big bezel on the bottom part, the black border. But so far, we have successfully downloaded a watch face. Okay, so that's it for the watch face, for the downloading of watch face for our Redmi Watch 3 active. Okay, and we also have an example on how to set up your custom watch face. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, okay, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.